on step 3, you are able to select the resources that you want to add to your project. And we have different types of resources, models, rules, and prompts, which are available and you can check under the hub of resources. Let me just briefly go here. So under this hub of resources, you can see all the online models which are compatible with the Generative AI Lab. You have seen both Basil and Kshitij have shown you the NLP Models Hub. So models available on the NLP Models Hub can be automatically pulled from GenAI Lab. You can search for the models using different keywords like oncology. You see all the models which contain this string, right? And you can select, among all of those. Now they have short description or some metadata available here. And some of them have also benchmarking information. But let's say NAR BSL, which is one of our most comprehensive models. You see, when clicking on this small icon, you see benchmarking information, F1 score for all the entities which are predicted by this model. And you can simply select it and download it. This will copy the model to your instance of GenAI Lab. Now, in this local models page, you see all the models that you have downloaded from NLP Models Hub or that you have trained using the GenAI Lab tool, or you can also upload your models. The only restriction here, you can see this model was trained. You can download the training logs. You can see the benchmarking information. Or as I said, you can upload your models if you have trained them on Databricks or if you train them via Python notebooks. The same for embeddings and the same idea. Those are all the embeddings which have been downloaded to this instance.